General Acorda,
Yes, Your Honor.
alam mo ba kung sino yung mga membro ng Voltes 5? Yung empleyado rin na civilian employee, alam nga nila eh.
Yes, Your Honor. I think there
Huwag
is
ka
a
nang
listing of that.
magsinungaling. Kasi alam ko naman yung civilian employees nga ng PNP, alam eh kung sino membro ng Voltes 5. Pero yung susunod na tanong ko, are you aware of the existence of the group called Kingsmen?
Your Honor, i-review ko yung mga documents na hawak ko.
No,
Because
ang tanong ko lang po ay simple. Are you aware of the existence of a group of Kingsmen in the Philippine National Police?
it sounds familiar, Your Honor.
It sounds familiar.
Yes, Your
Congressman Acop, you are recognized.
Marami pong salamat, Mr. Chair. May I request that the former chairman of PCSO, General, sit beside General Acorda.
General Pinili.
And may I request, Mr. Chair, na yung in charge ng STL franchises take the place of the Assistant General Manager para hindi na po papalit-palit.
Okay. May we ask the official of the PCSO in charge of gaming?
Yung pag-grant ng franchise ng STL.
Can we...
Mr. Chair, is it about the procedure? About the procedure on STL?
No, yung nag-grant in charge na pag-grant ng STL. Franchises.
Board yun, sir. Members of the board, Mr. Chair.
Board.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you're going to speak for and behalf of them?
No, I cannot, sir.
Ay, sino po ang maupo?
We don't have a member of the board right now, Mr. Chair.
Eh, sino po ang nandito na nakakaalam po yung pag-issue ng franchises?
Mr. Chair, may we allow our legal officer?
Yes, let's see. And may I know kung sino po yung taga-issue ng mga sasakyan ng PCSO? Meron ba yung nag-issue ng mga sasakyan? Just like the pick-up used by the late Wesley Barayoga?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. The office assigned to issue the service vehicles for PCSO officials and employees would be the General Services Department of PCSO.
Sino nga?
At present, the manager of the General Services Department is Ms. Agnes Ibera.
Is she around?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, kung pwedeng maupo siya kasi kasama sa pagtatanong ko yung para mas mabilis. Nandyan siya? Have you all taken your oath?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Kanina pa pinatatayo yung mga resource persons na dapat nandito eh. Kaya tatagal ang hearing. Madam, nag-take oath ka na ba? Have you taken your oath?
Kanina po yung sinabi nyo doon sa... Tumayo po ako doon kanina.
You have taken your oath. Ikaw, attorney.
Not yet, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair?
Comsec, please administer the oath of attorney.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry? So help you God. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Comsec. Please proceed, Congressman Acop.
Before I proceed to the issue at hand, I ask some clarificatory questions. For Colonel Grijaldo. Ito ba ang last name mo, Grijaldo?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When were you assigned sa Mandaluyong?
Before Mandaluyong, sir.
Hindi. When were you assigned to the Mandaluyong City Police Force? Kailan?
July 1st, Your Honor.
July 1st of 2020.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And where was your former assignment? Saan ka nang galing?
I was then the under the Chief Directorial Staff in National Capital Region, sir.
Sa National Capital Region.
Yes, sir.
Sigurado ka doon, hindi ka galing sa Davao.
Sir, I came also to work with, I also assigned during my
Relax
junior
ka lang.
years.
Mag-relax ka para masagot mo yung katanungan ko ng
Yes,
tama.
sir. Yes, sir. I was assigned in Davao Region, sir.
Before you were assigned sa NCR Command? Or galing ka sa Davao, diretsong Mandaluyong?
No, sir. Na-assign din na ako, sir, sa Region 7, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sige, thank you. Colonel Barandog.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Na-assign ka sa PCSO as part of the contingent ng CIDG noong 2020. Tama?
Sir, I was assigned in PCSO, sir, as detailed, sir.
As?
Detailed, sir.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not as a CIDG, sir, but coming from PRO 7, sir.
PRO 7. So,
Yes, sir.
ang nag-request sa'yo na pumunta sa PCSO, ma-detail doon, ay si Colonel Garma. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Kasi magkasama kayo doon sa Region 7 eh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you. At ikaw yung opisyal na na-ambush na kasama mo yung asawa mo.
Yes, sir.
Kilala mo na kung sino umambush sa'yo o nagpa-ambush?
I have several suspects, sir.
At least, that's good enough kasi alam mo kung sinong iilagam mo. For this SITG, CIDG, ano po yung mga motives na nakita niyo in your investigation report?
In the report of the SITG, sir, the finding was to look into the previous assignment of General Barayuga.
Hindi, gusto ko lang yung tatlo na para mabilis tayo, Iho. First is, sabi kanina ninyo kay Honorable Castro, involvement sa drugs.
Yes, sir. The recommendation was there was two recommendation: the involvement in legal drugs and the fact find and the possible anomalies in PCSO, which resulted in the filing of cases by the NBI against PCSO officials.
Now, may I know yung basis ng anomalies sa PCSO? Just like what anomalies?
Your Honor, sir, I am not privy to that, sir. I will check with the records, sir, sa CIDG, sir.
And according to your report, meron po kayong may final yung NBI na kaso against PCSO for corruption? Would that be correct?
The description by the SITG is alleged anomalies in PCSO.
Okay. Now, have you ever conducted a background investigation on the late Attorney Wesley Barayuga?
Yes, sir. I think the investigators have conducted the background investigation on the person of General Barayuga, sir.
And may I know what was the finding of that background investigation?
in the discussion during case conferences, it was found out that General Barayuga has a modest lifestyle and actually doesn't have a vehicle used from home to his workplace, and accordingly he has this Toyota Innova, but it's being used by his son. And
His
normally
daughter.
he commutes from his home to
In other
his
words,
workplace.
the late Wesley Barayuga is a simple man, or was a simple man. Hindi, walang sasakyan. Yung sasakyan niyang Innova, ginagamit pa ng kanyang anak.
Those were the findings of our investigators.
Even when he was assigned sa PCSO, simpleng-simple siya, wala siyang sasakyan. Ang ginagamit niya, public transportation. Tama?
That was the findings, sir, of the
Yes.
investigators.
Mr. Chair, ito pong issue na ito ay nagdala ng tension between the Lacans, yung graduate ng Philippine National Police Academy, at saka Cavaliers na graduate ng Philippine Military Academy. Kasi yung pinatay ay graduate ng Philippine Military Academy Class of 83 at yung alleged na nagplano ay members ng Lacan Class 96 at ang ginamit ay Class 2006 where Colonel Mendoza belong. Right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. At ito ay hindi po connected sa war on drugs. Ginamit ito na issue laban kay Attorney Wesley Barayuga for their selfish, yung kagaya na sinasabi kanina ni Honorable Adjong, selfish or personal interest. Let me start. General Pinile, you were the one who recruited Attorney Barayuga. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Why? Because
Because
classmate mo siya.
he was my classmate and a lawyer.
Yes. And you know for a fact na may mga issues between Colonel Garma, the general manager, and your corporate board secretary. Tama po ba?
I have personal knowledge, but I know that my classmate is very honorable man. He is not fan of issuing.
I'm not asking whether the late Attorney Barayuga is an honorable man na established na kanina. Simpleng-simple lang yung tao. Wala ngang sasakyan pag pumapasok. And that is true. Alam mo yun, di ba? Classmate mo eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Do not describe him already. Na-establish na yun. Fact na yun. What we're trying to establish is the motive why he was killed or he was murdered. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So you deny knowing the issues between your general manager, Colonel Garma, and your corporate board secretary? Hindi mo alam yun? Ikaw ang chairman?
Can I explain, Your Honor? Last March of 2020, I was in Davao and we are doing board meeting online. And my board secretary, since he's the one collating all reports, is always in the office. So from March to July 30, I was not in the office. So I don't really know the issues. But I know that my board secretary is not issuing board certificates if all the board members have not signed. So maybe that's the reason why he was targeted. Kasi I know that granting of authority to operate is solely given to GM. So baka meron silang problema doon and I don't have personal knowledge of their issues, Your Honor.
You do not have personal knowledge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero alam mo na may mga hindi napipirmahan ng board na nire-request ni GM Garma na mangyari.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi your general manager wanted to increase the number of franchises ng STL at gustong ipasok yung perya ng bayan.
I have inkling on that, Your Honor.
Yes. You have an inkling? Mas
Yes,
alam ko pa kaysa iyo na general manager ka.
On the issue of peryahan ng bayan, because it's an illegal game.
Yes. And may I know if during that time, after the death of Attorney Wesley Barayuga, you texted his wife?
Maybe I inform her, Your Honor, because my classmate was killed, and as a classmate and also the chairman, it's my obligation to inform her, Your Honor.
That is your obligation, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you informed her na meron kayong parang separate investigation group to look into it. Tama rin po ba?
It's because, you know, Your Honor, I inform our class president on how to solve this problem. So in order to relieve the pain of the wife of my classmate, I inform her that we have parallel investigation so that it will be facilitated. And also, Your Honor, the class and other concerned groups posted a 1 million bounty for those who can help facilitate the investigation. So I would like only to tell this, Your Honor, that during the wake, I was approached by the brother of my classmate. Sir, hindi sana ito maging statistics lang. Kaya we assured him, kasi yung brother ni late Wesley is also a general in the fire service, I think.
Yes. Pero, doon sa itinext mo kay Mrs. Pinili, and I have a copy of your text, you said something about the phrase privilege. I would like to read a part of it. Good morning, Mr. Sara. Hope you are doing fine and able to cope with the tragic loss of Wesley. My conversation with Yusek Q, siguro si Yusek Kinsa ito. Sino yung Yusek Q?
Yusek Kitain, Your Honor.
Kitain. And Senator BG. Sino po yung BG? Senator Bongo?
Bongo, Your Honor.
Were privileged communication or were considered highly confidential. What were those informations that you shared with Yusek Kitain and Senator Bongo confidential? Hindi na confidential ngayon kasi masosolve na yung kaso eh.
Regarding, Your Honor, I said this because we have also already known the motive. So, I reported this to them.
Let me stop you there, please. You have known the motive?
Yes, already, Your Honor.
Ano yung motive na alam nyo noon?
Now, the issues now...
Ano yung motive na alam nyo noon? Pakisagot lang yung aking katanungan kasi nanggaling po sa bungangan nyo po yun eh.
It was already been...
alam nyo na kung sino ang may kagagawan. Would that be correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And for 4 years, you have suppressed it. You and some members of your class. Di ba? Or you want me to show proof of that? Alam ninyo, totoong nangyari, but you never did anything about it. Why? Because of fear. Am I correct?
Partly, Your Honor.
Partly. And which part is not true? Hindi ka makasagot. Anyway, bahala ka na sa iyong mga classmates. Dapat nga, nagsasabi ka na ng buong katotohanan dito eh. Dahil masosolve na yung pagkamatay ng classmate mo. Now, may I ask the PCSO, when was the vehicle used by Attorney Barayuga issued to him?
Your Honor, may we be given a time to present the record because we don't have the records right now?
Siguro pwede naman yung tawagan kung sino man ang nakakaalam. Sino ba nakakaalam? Kasi yun po sana pinaupo ko dyan eh. Para hindi po tayo magtagal.
Actually, Your Honor, the office issuing the MR, the memorandum receipt, is the Assets and Supplies Management Department and not the General Services Department.
Yeah, because, Madam, I was informed, or from my informants, in-issue yung vehicle na yon dahil nahihirapan yung tropa ni Colonel Mendoza na ipinpoint yung movement niya. Kasi, sabi ko nga, gumagamit siya ng public transportation. Hindi ba, General Pinili?
My classmate, I know him personally because we are eating during lunchtime.
Nagbabaon?
Nagbabaon siya.
Yes. Babaon siya.
And,
pero gumagamit siya ng public transportation.
Yes, sir. Because according to him, exercise din daw.
Yes. Kasi nahihirapan nga yung naatasan na yariin siya eh. Nahihirapan. Why? Dahil gumagamit siya ng transportation, walang pattern. At madaming madadamay kung upakan mo kung nasa public transportation. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kung nag-imbestiga kayo ng tama, tapos na sana ito. Kung gusto nyo tapusin, tapos na rin sana ito. Hindi ngayon lang matatapos. Tama? Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Now, General Acorda?
Yes, Your Honor.
Alam mo ba kung sino yung mga membro ng Voltes 5? Yung empleyado rin na civilian employee, alam nga nila eh.
Yes, Your Honor. I think there
huwag
is
ka
a
nang
listing of that.
magsinungaling. Kasi alam ko naman yung civilian employees nga ng PNP, alam eh kung sino membro ng Voltes 5. Pero yung susunod na tanong ko, are you aware of the existence of the group called Kingsmen?
Your Honor, i-review ko yung mga documents na hawak ko. Because
ang tanong ko lang po is simple. Are you aware of the existence of a group of Kingsmen in the Philippine National Police?
It sounds familiar, Your Honor.
It sounds familiar.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Commissioner Leonardo, are you aware of the existence of a group of Kingsmen sa PNP, being a NAPOLCOM commissioner?
Sir, I have no idea with regards to the Kingsmen po.
You have an idea?
No idea po ako.
You have no idea?
Kingsmen.
And therefore, if you do not have any idea, you are not a member of that group. Would that be correct? You do not have to lie to me because I know the truth.
No, I'm not a member of Kingsmen, Mr.
You are not. And therefore, you are lying. The members of that group ay 8 po kayo. 8 po kayo. At alam na alam ng mga membro ng Philippine National Police that there's such a special group known as Kingsmen. And they have cornered yung ibang STL franchises. And that's precisely the reason why At Barayuga was killed simply because hindi niya gusto yon. Inaayawan niya. Tama rin po ba, General Pinili?
Based on the character of my late board secretary, yes, sir.
Yes. I'm asking this, General Acorda, kasi nung nabaril si Wesley, General Barayuga, ikaw ay nasa intelligence. Di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Yun ang kuwan nun.